a YouTube channel is a good thing. Launching that YouTube channel is a good thing. Beginning is a good thing. But there are things you need to know before you start up your YouTube channel. There are things you need to note down before you start up your YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you all those things you need to know before you start up your YouTube channel. So if you're just tuning into my channel, you are welcome. I love you. I'm called Pretty Queen. Please do well to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that each time I drop a video every week, you'll be the first person to see it. So let's dive into the business of the day. A lot of people come on YouTube with the mindset of I'll start making money immediately. A lot of people come on YouTube with the mindset of I'm going to go viral with my first video. No, but let me tell you the truth. It's going to be complicated. It's not going to be easy the way you think. Your first video is not going to make you go viral. Your first video is not going to give you the views you have been expecting. You are going to be disappointed. You are going to be shocked with your first video. You might post your first video and it will get you 3 views. Your first video, it will give you 5 views, but it doesn't mean that you will not go viral on YouTube. And that your first video, you might want to give up on that first video, or you might want to delete that first video. But let me tell you the truth, don't do it. Allow it the way it is. With time, that video can carry you to the top. And the next thing you need to know is that you have to be consistent on YouTube. Consistent is the key. Consistency is the key. Keep uploading your video and have a schedule when and where you upload your video. Okay? What time do you upload your video? What day do you upload your video? You have to know all these things, okay? Even when you upload it and it's not going viral, keep uploading your video. Stick to the schedule where you upload your videos on YouTube. And the next thing is you have to create perfect thumbnails, eye-catching thumbnails that people will look at it and they will click. If not, people will scroll and they will pass without watching your videos. I had the same thing when I had my first channel. I created my first channel. I was facing difficulties there until one day I started getting views on my short and views on my long video. But due to some mistakes I made, the channel was being terminated, which I wrote an appeal. YouTube sent me a message. So I'm still waiting, hoping they open that channel for me so that I can continue from where I stopped. So your thumbnail is also important. The thumbnail you create is also important. Chase what is trending. Build your own brand. Because when I started my first YouTube channel, I was following a lot of people to the point I was confused. I was totally confused. I don't know what to do again on YouTube. I was confused. A lot of ideas were coming to my head. I was thinking, overthinking, and I lost focus. And I was so frustrated. Because why? I wanted to copy other people. No, be yourself. Okay? What you know you can do it. Go ahead and start doing it. Don't copy anybody. If it is vlogging, it is your lifestyle vlogging that you're doing. If it is cooking, if it is whatever that you think you can do it, go ahead and do it. Don't copy people because you see somebody say, I made money in this, and you saw the niche. You say, okay, that is what I also want to go to. What you want to go to, can you do it? You cannot do it. So don't copy someone else. Build your own. Even if it's just frying your fish every day, consistently be frying the fish. Okay, YouTube algorithm will know that it is fish you are frying, and they will keep on promoting your content like that. Don't copy someone else which you are going to be stuck. Don't copy it. Do your own thing. Also, patience on YouTube is the key. If you're not patient, you are going to quit. A lot of people quit halfway because why? What they were expecting is not what they are seeing. What they were expecting to see is not what they are seeing. They came with a mindset of, I'm going to make money fast. My first week on YouTube, I'm going to make money. My this, I'm going to make money. No, there is consistency there is patience. You need to put your time. You need to put your effort. YouTube will not just give you money without you doing anything. It will not give you the money without you doing anything. You have to be patient to build. You have to be consistent to build. Okay? It's not it's not sharp sharp money. No. You take time to build your channel. With time, it'll be giving you money. Put effort, put hard work, put smart work also. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much. That's a little I can share. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also like this video so that every week I drop a video, you'll be the first person to see it. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.